Do you want your Elementor buttons to glow like this, without using a single line of CSS? Most people think this is a pro feature, but today I'll show you how to create this glowing magic in just a few clicks. And yes, 100% free. Hey everyone, welcome back to Elementor AI Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a glowing button in Elementor without using a single line of CSS code. Yes, you heard that right. No coding, no plugins, just pure Elementor tools. So, let's dive right in. First, open your page in Elementor Editor. Now, drag and drop the button widget anywhere on your page. For example, in the Hero section or Call to Action area. Rename your button to something like Click Me or Get Started. Make sure it's properly aligned in the center. Go to the Style tab of the button. Here, choose a background color that pops. I'll go with a bright pink color for this tutorial. Then set your text color to white so that it stands out clearly. You can also increase the border radius to about 10 or 15 pixels to make the button edges look smooth and rounded. Now comes the fun part, the glow. Still under the Style tab, scroll down and find the box shadow option. Click on it and enter these values. Horizontal, 0 vertical, 0 blur, around 30, spread, around 8. And for the color, use the same color as your button background. This will make the glow match your button perfectly. As you can see, the button already looks like it's glowing from behind. Let's make the glow even more exciting when users hover over the button. Click on the Hover tab. Change the background color slightly, maybe a lighter or neon version of the same color. Now, adjust the box shadow again, increase the blur to around 60 and the spread to 20. You can even add a hover animation effect, like grow or pulse. Now when you hover, the button looks alive, glowing and expanding beautifully. To make the glow stand out even more, add a dark background behind your button, something like dark blue, gray, or black. This will make the glowing effect look more realistic and professional. Click the eye icon at the bottom to preview your page. Hover over the button, and boom. You've got a beautiful glowing button without any CSS or code. This method works perfectly in the free version of Elementor too. So that's how you can easily create a glowing button in Elementor. Fully customizable, and 100% code-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Elementor tutorials just like this.